Never before have Americans in such large numbers faced the heart-wrenching reality of making life and death decisions either for themselves or their loved ones. Once you or a loved one is admitted to the hospital, a nursing home, or a hospice facility, you will be required to give healthcare professionals written directives regarding who has the authority to make medical decisions for you in case you become incapacitated. In this video, we will discuss some of those directives. What are advance directives? Advance directives are legal documents that direct the future care of a person's health in case they become incapacitated or unable to make decisions for themselves. Advance directives vary from state to state, and advance directive forms can be obtained from your local state bar association. What is a living will? A living will is a legal document which directs healthcare professionals about a person's wishes regarding his or her healthcare. This document pertains to insertion of breathing tubes, feeding tubes, use of ventilator, CPR, dialysis, etc. Before the living will is put into practice, 2 physicians must certify to the patient's inability to direct the healthcare professionals about his or her medical care. What is a durable power of attorney? Durable power of attorney is a legal document in which a patient appoints a person as his or her proxy to make healthcare decisions on his or her behalf if the patient is incapacitated. Before a POA is put into action, a doctor must certify that the patient is unable to make medical decisions on his or her behalf. If at any time the patient regains the ability to make these medical decisions, the proxy's power is nullified. What is DNR? DNR, or Do Not Resuscitate, is a directive written by a physician in consultation with the patient. A DNR order gives healthcare professionals instructions to withhold life-saving measures if a patient's heart or lungs fail. These measures include chest compressions, CPR, IV cardiac drugs, and placement of a breathing tube. What is a DNI? DNI, or Do Not Intubate, is also a written directive by a physician in consultation with the patient, which informs the healthcare professionals that they have the patient's permission to perform chest compressions, CPR, and administer cardiac drugs, but refrain from inserting a breathing tube down the trachea.